Deputy Secretary for Justice Horace Cheung prefers to follow the constitutional order's mechanism to address complex legal issues. He was referring to the administration's move of seeking law interpretation from Beijing.
Speaking on a program with HKIBC News, Deputy Secretary for Justice Horace Cheung said the Department of Justice is waiting for the central government's interpretation to clarify if overseas lawyers can defend suspects charged under the national security law. His remarks came after the High Court adjourned the trial of media tycoon Jimmy Lai to give Beijing some time to make the decision on permitting British barrister Timothy Owen defending Lai. Earlier, British barrister David Panic, who has represented the SAR in several cases, criticized the government's move. He voiced concern that if the National People's Congress Standing Committee, or NPCSC, overruled the decision made by the city's High Court, it could cause immeasurable damage to the city's judicial independence. In response, Cheung said NPCSC's power to interpret the laws is an important part of the constitutional order.
如果喺我哋一路實施有關嘅法律嘅時候，遇到一啲唔準確嘅理解。
When we encounter some situations that are not clear or have inaccurate understanding while we are implementing legislations, we can solve the problems by following the constitutional order's mechanism, he said, adding he believes it is the healthiest direction for the development of rule of law. Cheung also defended the no-jury arrangement for 4 national security cases, including those of Jimmy Lai, and the leaders of Hong Kong Alliance in support of patriotic democratic movements of China. He said the arrangements were made after giving due consideration to matters of national interest. On whether this would be a norm going forward, Cheung stressed that would depend on society's development.
不設陪審團嘅證書唔代表嗰單案件呢係冇公平審訊。
But reiterated that no jury trials are conducted in all fairness, and the 3-judge panel ensures defendants' rights are upheld.